Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable dictionary on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. To enable dictionary, go to Settings, then go to System, Keyboard, On-Screen Keyboard, Gboard, and now go to Dictionary, Personal Dictionary, choose a language, and now click on a plus, and here you can type a word to your personal dictionary, like something that's not in a standard dictionary. And you can also add a shortcut for that if you want, and I'm gonna show you how to use the shortcut now since it's added. When I go anywhere and type in the shortcut, it suggests me this word. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.